Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your Amazon password. What you need to do. First, just go to Amazon and log in your account, and then you click here. Hello, your name. Just click here and then click login and security. And here password, click edit. Then just type your current password and then type the new password and re-enter new password and then click save change. This is what you need to do to change your Amazon password. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. And if you have any question, any suggestion, any idea, just you can leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.